So fam, today I'm going to share with you how I am going to streamline my services and how I get this information over to my clients so they'll know what I'm going to do in any given month or week. What's up fam, this is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. As always, hope you guys are cutting on. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I am a lawn care pro trying to take his business to $500,000 this year. And I'm going to share with you my strategies, my ups and downs, and some of the things that I'm doing to help my business cut on. But first, now if you're new to this industry and you need some coaching calls on some of the things that you need to do in order to be effective in this business, please hit me up in my email. I do offer coaching calls, I do Zoom calls, and I want to help you grow your business. So fam, what am I doing in order to make sure that my services are streamlined and my clients know exactly what I'm offering this year and when I'm offering it? So pretty much people know that I use Yardbook. Now I use the professional part of Yardbook, not the free part, in order to do what is called bulk emails or bulk text messages. So what I'm able to also do is I have a free subscription to MailChimp. So what I'm going to show you right now is what I'm doing in MailChimp. So basically in MailChimp you get a free subscription, and as you can see, I am using MailChimp to actually come up with a digital flyer. And in this digital flyer, you can see I'm telling my clients, hey, this year's calendar at a glance. In January, February, we do cleanups and debris removal. And notice I have a primary and secondary service that we're doing. Made sure I added a picture in there. You know, people love pictures and see what you're doing. And then it moves on to February and March. I double make sure that the clients understand that in this months or in between these months, I want to do what is called, pine straw installation, mulch jobs. And at that point, they should also have received their contracts, because in March and April, I'm starting my initial mowing and cutting. And yes, we cut grass when the grass is dormant, cutting it all the way down to the ground. Then between April and May, I am pushing for my aeration, overseeding. Like I said, this is to give the client a glance at what we're doing. Then in June and September, notice it's red. This is the area where all I'm trying to do is maintenance. I'm not trying to do any pine straw, mulch job. You know, if you're trying to get that, you're pretty much late to the game. I'm trying to make sure this is already done. I do what's called lawn maintenance. Notice in where it says the hedges, I'm trying to do maintain the hedges and not doing what is called cutting back or clean up. Then it starts all over in October and December. As you can see, it's rolling into we're doing the cleanups or the leaf cleanups all over again. And pretty much what I have is a service form. So when they click on this service form, it takes them to my website. And from my website, they're able to then fill out a project order. And it's basically saying, hey, let me know ahead of time what it is that you want to do so I can make sure I take care of you when the time is allotted. Because a lot of times, fam, what they want to do is they want to put all this work on you in the middle of June, the middle of July, where it's impossible for you to do all this work. And they get frustrated because they're saying, hey, I asked you to give me a quote back when, and you didn't give me a quote. Fam, you gotta try to streamline your services. You try to let the client know this is when I do, what I do, where I do it. And what I've already established is quotes. I already have quotes already template in Yardbook. All I did was I named it cleanups for the leaves, cleanup for the hedges. I already know what my man hours are going to be this year. I'm trying to move my man hours from $50 per man hour to 65. Doesn't mean I'm gonna always get it, but I know I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna push $65 per man hour. And if anything happens, I may give a discount, but I'm trying to get $65 per man hour at this point. So if you're in the Conyers area, try to get your man hours up to 65 so when we're going out, we're licensed and we're insured and we're dealing with these clients, we're dealing with them the same. If you say, Vic, I'm on $70 to $75, if the market bears it and you can get that, let me know, put it in the comment section, because at the end of the day, I can't cut this grass all by myself. So I'm asking my comrades around Conyers, hey, let's stick together and let's raise these prices on our client respectfully, because you know everything has gone up. So fam, hopefully you've seen this. I'm telling you, if you're not putting this digitally in front of your clients through their cell phones, you're missing out on how to streamline your job and your services without having to run around giving quotes. Man, go ahead and have your preset margins or how much you normally charge to do a most job, how much you typically charge to do pine straw. You know, I can't do a most job for less than a certain amount of money. You know what that is going in. That way, when your clientele asks you for a quote, you already know where you're starting at. Okay. Well, fam, hopefully this helps you out. If you want to know more ways or how to actually do this on MailChimp, I'm telling you, you can Google it right now on Google, or you already know on YouTube, someone will share it with you how to set that template up, because that's how I learned it. I watched it on YouTube, and then guess what? Once it's set up, it's there forever. You know, I go back and I have different templates I send to people to make sure they know that we're about to get started for cutting the yards. You got this many days. I'm about to send that out. So fam, hopefully this helps you out. And as always, cut on lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.